Section 1. Export images from Acuity. Select the X-ray image you want to export. The selected image will have its outline highlighted. Go to the top bar and click Export Image. Next to Export As, click the drop-down menu and select the desired image format for export. Options include BMP, DIR, DCM, JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. Under Destination, click the Browse button to choose the location where the image will be exported. Finally, click the Export button at the bottom. A message saying Completed will appear above the Export button, indicating that the image has been successfully exported to the chosen location. Section 2. Import images to Open Dental. Go to Imaging on the left side of the screen. On the top toolbar, click Mount Acquire. Select a template you'd like to use, then click Create Mount. Select a tooth position you'd like to import the image to. The selected location will be highlighted in yellow, then click Import on the top toolbar. Select the image that was previously exported from Acuity, then click Open. The image exported from Acuity has now been imported into Open Dental. Section 3. Import images to Dexis. Go to the top bar, click the Import button. In the Import Images window, click the Browse button to locate the X-ray image exported by Acuity. Once the image is selected, you'll be able to preview it on the right-hand side of the window. Finally, click Import Selected at the bottom of the window. The image exported from Acuity has now been imported into Dexis.